Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chev B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you are subscribed down below. Y'all, so today we're about to do a natural hair video. And the video is sponsored by CURLSQUEEN.com. And I'm just showing you guys what I got in my package. Like, y'all see that gold bonnet? Like, y'all, I'm obsessed with that bonnet because it comes with the drawstring to tighten around the perimeter of your head so that the bonnet stays on your head. Like, girl, you need that. So getting straight into this hair, this is what the hair is looking like straight out of the package. This is their wet Jerry Curly clip-in hair extension, and I got the full set. So it comes with 10 pieces of wefts with the attachable clips to, you know, give the hair a clip-in effect. So this is what the hair is looking like. Of course, I'm about to co-wash this hair. It does have that factory hair smell, so I don't want that. I want the hair to smell like I just did a wash and go, which is exactly what we're about to do with this unit. The curls are giving. Okay, so after I've done that, I decided to prep my hair. So I did that off camera because I'm like, y'all don't want to see all of that. So I did some doo-doo braids up in this. Okay, I did some dookie braids in the back, big and bulky. It doesn't have to look special, doesn't have to look neat, but I wanted to make sure that the back is flat, and I didn't want to blend my hair in the back because I didn't want it to be too big and poofy, and then it's extra blending for my hair and all that extra work, and I ain't trying to do all of that. Okay, so this is supposed to be a protective style as best as I can get it to be, and it is summertime. You guys know I love clip-ins when it comes to summertime. I love wearing my natural hair out. You know, just gives that vroom vroom, it gives that extraness, it gives that beauty. Okay, so we're starting off with the, I can't remember what inch weft this is, but it's like the 3 clips on it. And then I'm going to go longer with the other clip-in that has 4 clips on there. So I can't remember the inches, but I ended up not using all of it, even though it was 10. Like, I honestly didn't even need a full pack, and you're going to see how big the hair is. So I love that it's 10 wefts and it's giving fullness. Okay, so I'm just going to keep going higher. Later on, I'm going to fill in spaces that I feel like need to be filled in, but I want to make sure I'm not doing them too closely together, because sometimes you underestimate how thick the hair is and you do them too close, and then you end up using way more than you need. So space them out, then go in afterwards to fill in those gaps that needs to be filled in. So far I think I use only 4 on top, and then I'm going to use, it may be a little extra here and there to fill it in, but as I said, you want to go in stages. So now I've pulled out or unraveled my braids in the front because I'm trying to blend my hair with the parting space. So I'm just going to create a semi-neat parting space, and this is to use my hair to blend with the clip-in to hide it so that it looks like it's my hair. So I just put in an extra weft because I feel like right there on top needs to be a little bit more full. And then we're going to be using the Wetline Extreme Gel, and I absolutely love this gel when it comes to defining my hair. So this is what I will be using. It doesn't leave any flakes for me. And also something important you guys want to take into consideration, like whatever gel you're using, make sure it works well with your leave-in conditioner. So you could do the palm test, that's blending the 2 products together to see how well they mix before actually applying it to your hair. So ever since, that's what I've been doing. So this gel hasn't been flaking in my hair, which I absolutely love, and it gives me that definition. So I'm just doing some finger coils, and I'm trying to blend my hair with the actual clip-ins to do the finger coils so that they actually, you know, like clump up together in a sense. So I'm just going to keep doing that until I am satisfied with the blendation. Also, to add, just to let y'all know, like, these clip-ins can be dyed. They're 100% human hair, so you can do whatever you want to do with them. Wash it, condition it, cut it, do a twist up, braid out, and all that good stuff. Like, you literally can do anything with this hair. And as I said, going in, filling in those gaps. So I'm using these smaller wefts. I think this is a 3-inch weft to just put it on the corner. And I'm just going to take the hair and try to blend it with my hair to also cover my hair in certain areas. Now I'm going to be doing 2 techniques, hashtag 2 different styles with the clip-ins to show you guys. So this is the first one that we're about to do. So it's like different ways you can do this, and it's gonna be both half up, half down styles. Girl, I love me a half up, half down, whether it be a sewing, clip-in, taping, whatever. Even though I haven't tried a taping yet, which I should. But anyways, y'all, like I love me some half up, half down during the summer vacation look. Hello. So I'm just trying to define my hair first. So I'm just gonna go in all over my hair on top with the gel, and this is gonna help the blending later on. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect or go all the way to the roots. I'm just mostly focusing on the ends because that's where I need to be blended most. So just gonna go through all of that until we are finished. So you want to have your spray bottle on hand because you know you need to get that hair wet, especially if you have low porosity like myself. For the products to actually work and activate and do what it needs to do, we need some water to drench it. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep doing that until we get to the good part. Now this is the method, the first method that we're about to do. And so what I want to do is I'm going to part right down in the middle of my hair, and then I'm going to go in with this long weft of hair, and I'm going to go straight across because I'm going to create a ponytail with this. And to make my hair blend with the ponytail or to look effortless as possible, I got to make sure that I go in between my hair for the ponytail. You feel me? I hope you understand, but most of all, just make sure that you're paying attention to what I'm about to do. So after I put in that first weft, I section my hair again, and then I go in with another weft and then another until I'm filling up that area. So I'm not going to go all the way to the front because I want to make sure that it's hidden. You don't want it to be obvious that you got clip-ins up in there, you feel me? So now I'm just gonna try to get all the hair up into a ponytail with my hair tie, but we're not gonna do it neatly as yet because we need to slick down that front. We need the front to be blended. So I'm gonna go back in with the wet line gel, and I'm just gonna make sure that that baby's sleek. Okay, we're making sure that she's sleek and up and together, you feel me? So just going in with the gel as much as I need, and then I'm gonna go in with my bristle brush and brush that all in to get it to be sleek and get it to be as flat as I can get it to be. So also you want to note that you don't want to put too much weft up in there because it's gonna get bulky. Like it can get bulky in the front, so you want to push it more towards the back to get that flat, effortless look, to make it disguise that you're not actually wearing extensions. So I'm gonna go in with my hair tie and get my hair as tightly as I can get it. Now once that's done, I'm gonna pull my ponytail just a little bit, fix my hair, make sure my hair is blended with the curly hair as much as possible. And obviously you want to get a curl pattern that's going to be as close to your hair if you are going to define your hair. But if you're going to wear it in its like dry state, like you can get more of like a yucky kinky texture or whatever texture you want to get. So we're doing a defined look right now, so I'm just going to take a little piece of the hair and wrap it at the base to hide the hair tie because I don't want that to show, you know what I'm saying? I don't want that to be looking right there. We want this to look as professional as possible. So then I'm going to remove the clips in the back that was holding my hair back from getting mixed up with the part in the ponytail, and that is basically it for this technique. The first technique, and I'm just gonna go in with my diffuser to dry the hair and get the curls popping and up and doing what it needs to do. So as I said, this is the first method. I'm really liking it, but I'm going to show you all the second method of the half up, half down that I am going to really go for. So just showing you out two methods. You can choose whichever you want to do, but yeah, this is the first one. Okay, now on to the second method. So first of all, I need to remove all this clipping that I had in the front. Okay, because yeah, we're gonna go for something a little bit different. I decided that I don't want it to be out. I want a bun. Like, I prefer a bun with my half up, half down. So I'm just trying to get the hair all together. I'm not combing it all the way through. I'm just gonna make sure that like the roots are smooth, and I'm gonna go in with my bristle brush again, make sure that it is flat as possible, because I prefer when the hair is flat on top. I don't want it to be bulk. You already have a peas shaped size head, okay? So I don't need a hump on top that I already have. So I'm gonna go with my hair tie, get that as tight as possible without giving myself a migraine. So you don't want to go too tight with it, okay? You want it to look neat, but you don't want to. You want to look like you're pulling on your eyebrows, because that ain't never it. So once I get my hair tie in place, I'm gonna go in with just a little bit more gel if you need to. And again, I'm gonna remove or section off my hair that is blended in the back so that it doesn't get mixed up, because that tends to happen, okay? So you want to make sure that you put that away. Then we're gonna go in with this weft of hair, and I'm clipping it onto my hair to anchor it so that it doesn't fall out. But either way, we're gonna do a bun, so it's gonna be secured regardless, but you just want to make sure that the weft and the clip is not visible. I hope that makes sense. So I'm using 2 wefts of hair. You can use any length you want, any inch. If you want to use the shorter ones, the longer ones, as long as it's full enough for your bun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a twisting motion like a donut, and it doesn't have to look neat. You can do this to your liking, whatever you want to do. You want to do a messy bun, a neat bun, a tighter bun, smaller bun, whatever bun you want to do. I just want to do something almost like a donut. I'm going to put a little elastic over that, and that is basically it. So I'm really feeling the second method without the clip-ins in the middle, and I prefer a bun as opposed to leaving the hair out. But honestly, either methods will work, but the look that I was going for, this is what worked for me with the outfit that I was wearing. So then, as I said before, you want to go in if you need to fill in those areas in the back. Again, I didn't even use all the clip-ins with this style. I didn't need all 10. So I'm going to go in with some edge boosters to, you know, get them sleek edges. You don't got to do that, but I like that, okay? I like that extra touch. I like the swoops in the front. The swoops is what gives me life. So we're going to do the swoop in the front. I'm going to show y'all in a second. And then that's it for our look. So we're just gonna do some small swoops, nothing extra, nothing big, just it's gonna give that extra flair, that extra oomph that I like. And you know, the swoop do just be saving lives. So the hair is almost fully dried. Like, I'm loving the shininess of it. Like, look how big the hair is once it's dry, and then getting my hair to blend with it. Like, girl, it is giving summertime fine. It's giving effortless. It's just giving, period, full stop. That's it. Like, girl, absolutely in love with this hair. And then I paired it with these big ass earrings and the green shirt. The melanin is popping. Everything is just doing what it needs to do. Yeah, all the details for this unit will be in the description box down below. As I said, I got this in the full glam, so it's a 10-piece of Jerry curly clip-ins, and we're just absolutely loving it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and TikTok at Chev. If you haven't subscribed and you got all this way, like, girl, you need to go ahead and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye, guys.